Using Square gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to make purchases easily. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Check your gift card balance. Before using your Square gift card, check the balance to ensure you have enough funds for your purchase. You can do this by visiting the Square website or using the Square app. Step 2. Find a participating merchant. Locate a business that accepts Square gift cards. You can find a list of participating merchants on the Square website or by asking the business directly. Step 3. Make your purchase. When you are ready to make a purchase, inform the cashier that you will be using a Square gift card. They will guide you through the process of applying the gift card to your transaction. Step 4. Enter your gift card information. If you are making an online purchase, you will need to enter the gift card number and any required PIN during the checkout process. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Step 5. Keep your receipt. After your purchase, make sure to keep your receipt. This will help you track your remaining balance and serve as proof of purchase in case you need to return or exchange an item. Using Square gift cards is easy and convenient. Enjoy your shopping experience.